Hello, on today's episode of Martindale Digital Live, I want to show you a killer Facebook advertising strategy. Now, if you were on yet, or if you saw yesterday's live stream broadcast, I talked to you about what a Facebook pixel was. So that's the kind of the cornerstone or the background that you need to know before you start running Facebook advertising. If you didn't get a chance to watch that broadcast, you can go, let's see, up this way on the video if you're on YouTube, and I'll drop a link on this video so you can watch that one later. But on today's videos, let's get back to what a great killer strategy can be for you as an attorney in your law firm if you want to advertise on Facebook. So I want to tell you a story first to get it started because, I've been in masterminds and I've had mentors and coaches, as I've talked to you about on this live stream. And I think they can help me and they can help everybody in your business because, for me, I went to law school, had an undergraduate degree and everything, but never really understood and took classes on marketing. So when I started marketing my law firm, in addition to my own research and development that I was doing to try to understand, what I should be doing from a digital marketing standpoint, I hired and worked with a lot of the best coaches and mentors in the United States and even across the world, because it's very important to me to make sure that I'm investing in my business and investing in my education so that I can be the best attorney and the best legal marketer that I can be. But we're in one of these masterminds, and our mentor started talking to us about, advertising and Facebook and Google and all the different platforms for advertising. But he said something that really stuck with me. And he said, if you're not advertising, meaning if you're not really spending money in marketing to advertise your law firm or your business, you're not really in business, was his opinion. And I started thinking about that. And I was like, okay, I hadn't really never been one as an attorney to do, TV ads or radio ads or yellow book, which used to be the thing back when I was first practicing. But when he said that, I really started thinking and I paused. And if you think about it, it makes sense. For any business, whether it's a law firm, a dentist office, a restaurant, the lifeblood of your business is leads and customers. And if you're not advertising and basically marketing and paying money to continually have that stream of new clients and new people who are interested in your law firm, do you really have a business? It's something for each individual law firm to think about. But from a standpoint of investment, a lot of people think, well, I don't really want to pay for advertising. Some attorneys I know, in kind of growing up and in the legal business and working in some of these what I'll call white shoe firms, they look at advertising and marketing as kind of, something you don't really talk about. That's what the personal injury lawyers do, or that's what, other attorneys do, but we don't have to advertise because we have clients that come to us. Well, in today's world with digital marketing and the internet and, the fight for people's attention, it's more important even now than it used to be to make sure you're advertising. So I want to show you on today's episode one killer strategy that you can use for Facebook ads. And this works no matter what your practice area is, whether you're a criminal attorney, a bankruptcy attorney, a trust and estates attorney, a corporate attorney. It doesn't matter what your practice area is, because you can implement this and use this to generate new interest in your law firm and continual interest in your law firm. So you don't have to worry about these dry periods when you may not have new clients or new leads coming in. If you're always running the strategy, then you're going to always have constant flow of leads and new clients into your firm. So let's jump right into it. And as I've been doing for the last few days, I want to share my, let's see here. I'm going to share my blackboard with you again, as I've done on the last couple episodes. And let me make it a little bigger here, and we'll use some of these, drop some of these banners off so you can see it better. There you go. So let's talk about, as we left off yesterday, we were talking about, Facebook and this pixel basically that you can use, which is kind of a line of code, we'll call it, that Facebook has. And if people are visiting your Facebook page, let's change it back over here to red. They're going to your Facebook page or your website. So you've got the client over here who's the happy person searching on the computer, and they're going to your Facebook page or your website. Then the Facebook pixel is what is used to basically kind of tag those people as they come in. So you've got them. You've got somebody who, let's say, either organically through what you're doing on your Facebook page, or if you're just talking to people about it in the community, they may be organically going to your Facebook page or visiting your website. But especially if you're doing advertising, so let's put ads here, and we'll specifically say Facebook ads. So if you're doing Facebook ads, you surely want to make sure that you have this Facebook pixel set up, because if you're spending money, advertising to have people come to your Facebook page or your website, you want to be able to use this Facebook pixel, because what it's doing is, let's think about it from the standpoint of, I live here in Texas. We have a lot of cattle and ranches and things like that. If you think about, let me change my color to green here. But if you think about from the standpoint of, as these people are coming to your Facebook page and to your website, if you think about it from the standpoint of a corral, let's say you've got, I am not the artist, but we'll say you got some, longhorn steer, and they're out there on the ranch, and, you keep them in pens and fences, things like that, to keep them corralled. Well, the Facebook pixel works in the same way as we talked about yesterday, but basically as these people are coming to your Facebook page or your website, then you are in effect tagging them and corralling them, so you can use this audience of people that you're growing to run Facebook ads to. So let's switch back over to blue. And let me just show you kind of a key strategy that we'll dive into right now. But let's say on your Facebook page, you have created, okay, let's just use it for an example. You're a trust and estates attorney. So we can use kind of a great illustration. So if you're a trust and estates attorney, or any attorney, as I said before, it doesn't matter what you do, but for the purposes of this illustration, let's say you're a trust and estates attorney. What you do is you think of what are the biggest struggles and challenges that you help your ideal clients overcome. So maybe it's, say, having a will if they've had children, or if they got married and had a life change, had a will or estate planning, or, the struggles and life changes. But think about, let's say, the top 10 questions that you get or issues that you address. So if on your Facebook page, you take these top 10 questions / issues, and you create a video for each one of them. So now you've got 10 videos where you're addressing a specific topic. And now when you think video, don't think, oh, I got to go out and hire a crew and I got to bring somebody in. No. Take one of these, which, almost everybody has, a iPhone, Android, whatever it is, and hold it up, and come up with, where you're answering those questions and you've got your, script or spiel that you're giving to talk to your ideal client about these top 10 issues. And you're then posting them onto your Facebook page. Okay, so now you've got 10 different posts. You can space them out as you want to, answering questions or addressing top 10 issues for your ideal clients. Then once you've got them posted on your Facebook page, you can run a Facebook ad to promote each one of those videos. And you can target the zip codes. Maybe if you have an area, you can look at people who have a certain wealth or income. So let's say you're a trust and estates attorney, as we were saying in this example, and I live in Austin, Texas. So let's say you live in Austin and you're a trust and estates attorney, and you want to target, let's say 3 or 4 of the high value, high dollar zip codes, and you want to appeal to people who have an income over 100,000. So you can basically run an ad, an engagement ad or a video view ad, we'll call it. We won't get too much into the detail here, but basically you can run an ad to those people. So you've got people who've been on your Facebook page, you've corralled, so you got them that you can run this ad to. So that's group number 1 you could do. And then you could have group number 2, which, let's say you've got, like I said, zip codes and income, because you want, you have an idea of your ideal client, and you can run ads directly to those people. But then what I would say is, when you're doing that, make sure that as you're, running these ads, that you're driving this traffic. So, as we'd say with cattle, you have these cattle drives, but think about, you're kind of pushing all these people. So let's switch over to white so it's a little clearer. Let's say you've got a landing page where you're giving away, a free ebook on trust and estates, how to basically handle your trust and estates work. And all they have to do is enter their email. But you're then taking, as you're running these ads to these 2 groups, you got one group there, got a lot going on the screen now. But what you're doing is driving them from the ad. You're giving them, you're answering their top 10 questions. And then you've got a call to action where you're pushing them to say, go to my landing page. And if you have questions about what a landing page is, I'll put another link up here where you can go back to some videos we've created on landing pages. But basically, have them go download your ebook. And once they do that, you've got their name, email information. And then on the thank you page, you invite them to book an appointment with you. So what you've got, in effect, is this funnel, as we call it in the digital marketing world. But you're basically funneling these people from Facebook. Either they visited your page or your website, but you're funneling them into areas where you can run ads to them. And then these ads are going to drive them right to the landing page, and then, in effect, funnel down to book an appointment with you. So what you would do, once you've got this set up with these 10 videos and these Facebook ads and this landing page, so you've got a few pieces to this puzzle. But once you've got those pieces in place, it runs automatically. You don't have to be shooting a video every day. You don't have to be there answering the phone every day. You have a system that is set up through these Facebook advertising and landing pages where you will have a constant stream of leads and then clients who are coming to your law firm. Now, I don't know about you, but if you think about it, and what would it mean to your law firm if you had a constant stream of people who are contacting you through a system like this to have you hire them and do legal work for them. It's, priceless. What would you say and how much would you pay to have something like that? And, just so you understand, this is a system that is, as I said, a killer strategy that attorneys and law firms need to be using. So if you are thinking about doing marketing, or if you're doing marketing right now and you're paying, tens of thousands of dollars to an agency and it's not working, well, change. Don't just sit and take it. That's why I'm doing these videos. If you're not familiar with who I am, I'm an attorney and I've been an attorney for over 25 years, as well as a digital marketing expert for the last 10 years. And I understand digital marketing as well as the world of the law firm and being an attorney. So if you need help, go to our page and I'll see if I can put that up for you here real quick. But go to our website at martindeledigital.com and I'll give you more information that can help you out. We can set up a strategy call to talk about what you're doing, what's working, what's not working. But what you need to be doing is making sure you are, and I'll put it back up here just so you can see. I want to make sure that you are doing something that has killer ads and killer Facebook strategies. Don't be settling for second best or things that aren't working. Change your law firm marketing and get it where you have a constant stream of your ideal clients coming to you, and they want you to do work for them, and they will happily pay for that work. That's what you want. That's what you need. And that's what Martindale Digital can do to help you. That's all we have for this video today. I hope you have a blessed weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again live at 5 o'clock Central Time on Monday as we come back to you live at 5 every day on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So look for us on one of those channels, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much.